Hi everybody, it's Pauline here this time. I'm going to do you a review on this Bluesky gel nail starter kit. Now I do like having my nails done, but sometimes I just can't afford to go to the salon and have them done. So I bought this kit with the hope that I might be able to do it myself, and I am really pleased. I'll show you my nails now. I've just done these in a nice pink. Well, I say just, it was about 5 days ago, so it's lasting quite well, and I'm quite pleased with how it's gone on. It's never as good as the full salon, but I'm really pleased with how it's done. So I'll show you what we get in the kit. You get instructions, obviously. Now before I start, this isn't going to be a tutorial on how to do your nails, it's just about how I feel about the kit, because obviously everybody can paint the nails, you just need a steady hand and a bit of patience. So in the kit you get, it's a UV and LED lamp with obviously the plug. You get wipes. Now I have been using this, I've done about 5 times I've done the nails now, and you get these wipes which are little individual sachets, and you use them to wipe your nails before you start, and when you've finished to wipe off the top coat, sticky stuff. You get 3 colours that come with it, a nice red, pink and a black. Now the black I don't think I will ever use, some people might, but it's not really a colour for me. It would be nice if you could choose the colours that it came with, but I'm sure there's somebody somewhere will perhaps like that. I might even, my daughter-in-law might like her nails black for Halloween or something like that. You also get a base coat, these are all 10mm, and finally a top coat. You also get 2 files, one fine and one, as I say, you can see that I've been using them because I wanted to be able to say what I thought to the kit. No good giving a review before you've used it. So that one is quite a fine one, and this one is a bit rougher. So that's what you get. Now what I have found, a few extra bits that I've bought are, I bought some extra colours. These are minis. These are 5mm in each. This is this pink one. You can see it's a good match. The cap is really what you see is what you get with that pink. These are nice summer colours. You get 3 in a pack. A nice peach and a bit lighter peach pink colour. And I also think you ought to have a cuticle pusher, which I found really useful. One end, as I say, these don't come in the kit, this is extras I've bought. There's a scraper, which is good for scraping edges, and the pusher, which you can push your cuticle back and sort of roughen up the surface to work on. So I think it's worth getting one of those. And I've also bought a hard gel, another 10mm. I use that when I don't want colour on, just to keep my nails nice and strong, and it's clear. So it's got sort of like a very tiny hint of pink, but I would say really it's clear. So like I say, it's all in there. When you plug in the lamp, it does automatically light up as soon as you put your hand under, and then on the top here you've got 30 seconds and 60 seconds. You just press the button and it will light up for whichever length of time that you want, and all the instructions are in here telling you how to begin, what to put on and when, and how to do it. So my only tips I think would be that when you first start painting your nails is to start with your little finger and come this way. That's assuming you're right-handed, because if you start with this nail and go that way, you risk smudging these as you're going along. So I always start here and come back this way. Do one hand at a time as well. So do your base coat, you put it under for however long it is, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then do the next coat, and so on, and completely finish one hand before working on the next hand. So I thought I'd just plug this in actually and just show you how it works. So as soon as you put your hand under, you can see it lights up straight away, and there's the lights under there, LED and UV like I say, and then you choose 30 seconds or 60 seconds and it lights up. I won't switch it on because obviously I'm not doing my nails at the moment. Another tip I would say is to have just some toothpicks, and when you paint your nail, if you actually get it down the sides here, you can just scrape it out, because if you let it stay on your skin and then set it under the lamp, it's really hard to get off. So that's a good tip, just clean it away before you set it under the lamp. I don't think there's anything else to tell you. As I say, I find it really lovely, really shiny, as you can see, lovely shiny finish with the top coat does that. Lasts well. I've had some that's lasted a fortnight. And lovely colours, like I say, they're very true to the colours on the top. So I'm really pleased with it, and it is certainly saving me a lot of money and being able to have nice nails as well. I bought it on Amazon, so I bought all the things on Amazon, the kit and the extras that I bought, so I'll pop a link in the video description if you want to go and have a look. And I think that's about it. So I hope if you want to do your nails, it might have inspired you to have a go. So I'll see you on another video, maybe in the future. Bye for now.